channel. I am on my way to pick up my sister, and after that we're gonna pick up my sister-in-law and the kids. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Why are you crying?
To my channel!
Hi, baby! Baby! Lunchtime! Hi, baby!
Another baby!
Adela!
TV si ate.
Adela! Adela! Go, go, go! Wow! And this is for me. This is better. Good morning, good morning. It's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday to everyone. How are you feeling? I hope everyone is well and great and having a positive day. Where I am now, I am in Hessa Street. I'm on my way to the salon where I normally get my nails done. Last week, I had my nails done in a different salon, and boom, it peeled off quickly. Like after 4 days, it peeled off. So I'm going back to my original salon because their product will last like 3 to 4 weeks. By the way, look at this pimple. This is my acne. I went for my dermatologist yesterday, and she gave me some gel to put on it, and I'm taking like a medication now because I don't know what's going on with my face. Like I'm already only using Cetaphil, acne prone facial foam and sunscreen, but still I get pimple every month. I don't know why, but hopefully it goes away quickly with my new medication.
It's hard to stay real in a world full of fakes. It's hard to find truth when the liars.
Hey! Tapos na po. I'm done with my nails. So, very natural lang, white. And, I got this Hopya Mungo. It's 15 dirhams because I am quite hungry. So, kain muna tayo. Let's eat. I like it. So now I am heading to Al-Wasl Road for my physiotherapy. Kasi medyo masakit na yung likod ko, like the lower part, lumbar. And the doctor said I need to have like maybe 10 sessions to ease the pain. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'll drive muna. Bye-bye. Hey guys! Good morning! Good morning! So, for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. It's very quick and very simple. I am not a professional, but I'm gonna show you how. So, right now, I don't have makeup on. I don't have any moisturizer or anything on my face. So, it's really bare. And I really wanna show you the difference between no makeup and having a makeup on. First, guys, I'm gonna tie or clip my hair. Then next, I'm gonna put on some moisturizer. I just bought this one, guys. It's from, it's called Skin Code Switzerland Essential Oil Control. I normally use the Cetaphil Acne Prone Moisturizer, but because I'm having a lot of breakouts right now, so I went to drugstore and they said I should try this one. So I'm gonna try this for like a month and see how it goes. And it's kind of expensive. I think I paid for this like 300 dirhams, so I hope it's worth it, guys. So let's put it on. And next, I'm gonna use this Cetaphil sunscreen. It's very important. tap and then done. So normally I will wait for 2 minutes to set into your or to my skin. So next, guys, I'm gonna use this Sephora concealer. It's number 22 and it will cover all these spots on my face. And I'll show you the magic. Like, look at this one. So I will just put a little bit here. And then here, I have like reddish face. And then a little bit here. Yeah, and then I have here at my nose. So, and then I'm gonna use this Dior face powder. So I have this cushion here, and this is what I use to blend it. So I'll start from here, guys. So guys, I'm gonna leave this one for a while. I'll go back with that. So next, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever powder brush, and I'm gonna use my Dior powder. So as simple as that. And then here, under eye, on top of my nose, and then the cheek, and then that's it. Simple, very simple. And the neck, oh my god, gosh, I forgot. I bought a Kylie Cosmetics actually 2 days ago, and I forgot. I'm about to use my Charlotte Tilbury makeup, but I have a good news for you guys. Let's do unboxing. Woohoo! I'm excited myself. Oh my god, this is really, really good from Namshi. Woo! So let's open it now. Oh, I hope my nails won't. Oh, my nails. Let's open it. Oh my, oh, look. Kylie Jenner. Oh, this is cute. I have a new makeup bag. It's actually for Kylie's skin, but I can use this for my makeups. So cute. Look at this. So nice. And then from Namshi again. I love Namshi. They are very fast in delivering your orders. Look. Woohoo! So I need to pop the bubble here. I can't open it. Okay. Kylie. Oh, look at that. And then next is this one. Oh my gosh. And let's see the color. Oh, it has all the colors that I love. This is my day-to-day colors. I love it. Peel this off. There. This one. Let's open this. This is shade Kristen Matte. So it has a lip pencil, actual lipstick. Let's put it down there. And this is the lipstick, guys. Kylie. Hey guys, so I know that I already started my makeup, but I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. No, not tour, like my makeup essentials that I'm gonna use today. So I already done this. I already put this on. This is a Sephora concealer. I already done this as well. My eyeshadow from Urban Decay. And then as you can see, this is new. This is I paid for like almost 300 for this, and the same as this one, almost 300. And then for this Dior, I am not sure, I forgot how much I paid for this, but definitely they are the most expensive in all of these essentials. And yeah, so I'm gonna continue now, guys. So for my eyeshadow, I normally use these two. I use this for the crease and this is for blending. So let's use this one first. And I'm gonna use Kylie. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. Just very light. Let's start from this color. Let's see. And I have a hooded eye. I don't put my eyeshadow here because there's no point. It won't be visible. So I normally put it outside, like here. If you can see, yes. So just here. I'm gonna blend it with this color. So for blending the eyeshadow, you have to go round, 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 just like that. So that's it. Can you see the difference now, guys? And this is for my eyebrow. So we're just gonna fill in the gaps. So can you see the difference now? Boom. just a minor difference. So I'm done with my eyebrow, done with my shadow, and then I'm gonna do the other one. So let's put on some blush. Maliit lang, small lang, and super light. And this is the cheek, so I just normally put it, not here. I don't put it here, I put it here. And then the other side. And then let's try this. Let's see if this suits my complexion. So let's, oh no, I need to do lip liner first. So I would normally overline so it looks a little bit bigger. Okay. And then we can put this one now. And this one is from Urban Decay. This is a setting spray. So this is, woohoo! So that's it.